$8 thousands. Program vehicle, loaded, 2.3 liters EcoBoost engine, all-wheel drive, AWD, reserve equipment group, technology package, lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, climate package, 20-inch premium alloy wheels, THX2 surround sound system, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring system, panoramic vista roof, hands-free liftgate, Sync 3 voice-activated Bluetooth system, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include GA tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.